Probably should.
I know.
The other day, Ben and I got his Sylvia all done in one night.
In record time.
It was crazy. I pulled up, didn't have a front end, didn't have an engine. Now it has everything.
Everything except a good running engine.
Still runs like shit.
And my brick is all fogged up. Look.
Oh, do you have like a leak?
Why is that happening?
I think mine does the same thing.
What's happening?
Oh, there's bird poo on it. I haven't even washed it.
Oh yeah, there's bird poo. My car's so filthy, it's fine.
So it's back. It was away. Rust repair, paint.
Repair, paint.
Now
engine refresh.
It's cleaner than it was, but shittier engine than it had.
Yeah.
It has more problems now. Sure.
Oh, I put it.
He's in Jordan River.
Oh shit!
He always leaves, man.
Dude, that's fucked up. He always goes away from the long weekend. That's fucked up. I put all my cool parts from the Skyline on it like this, and the Astro Factory can.
Clean. Yeah. Does it run? Did you try the plug gap yet or no?
No.
No.
I feel like that can't be the reason. It's like running so bad. Like,
You didn't gap it?
Like gap whatever it was out of the box. Oh. I think I need to gap it like a tiny bit more than what it is.
No, it's like nothing happens. Then he gets past like $4 grand, and then it just like power on.
Really?
Yeah, it's
It
weird.
just cuts? That's shit. This car's never really ran right, has it?
No. Same thing with mine. It's all right. We're gonna go to the track, dude.
Yeah. All right.
We must pay homage to them.
Ben's going with Ben?
I don't think I've ever put it.
Yeah.
Anyway, you like the nice helmet hair going on?
It's
Right
looking
now?
pretty clean.
It's pretty fire.
Hell yeah, dude.
That's pretty fire.
Fuck him.
They look so funny.
You're ready? You're good to go, dude. Yeah.
He's got the nice clock sticker, dude. This guy. I say something right into the mic?
Yeah, that's very aggressive.
Lightly fried fish fillets.
Ben in the stew? It's the next day. Back
Oh,
from the
hey.
track.
Yeah.
Look at that. Views, man.
What are you? S26s.
Because they're two together.
Crazy math right there.
Yeah.
What are we doing? We're going over to Nelson's.
Mr. Nelson's to be another S13.
There's Alex from Checkpoint.
Yeah, never
He's
met
coming.
him.
I
He's
think.
got a nice belly button.
Yeah.
Like, how are you rich? And he's like, oh, I just have rich friends. And I'm like, oh, okay. Oh, is this a vlog?
This is a vlog. The new
So-
video just went up.
What's up, Moist fam? Welcome to the vlog. You know, we hate TJ cunt. I'm kidding.
You coming out on the 23rd or what's going on?
Whoever drives bad. It's like, it must be my lucky day.
What are you drinking, man?
Rough.
Brisk.
Breeze.
Are you keeping it brisk? Oh yeah, how's that taste?
I thought I was gonna choke.
You shouldn't have told. You should have told him like, hey, let's track this. Last week was huge.
Man, it was so dumb.
Wait, what? Last time?
Okay, Nelson, show us the trick.
If you guys have a bumper sag, just to do this easy trick.
I like how it fixes
It goes
this.
flat. I guess, yeah, it's basically just.
So I fix your, you don't need torrents.
How's the hood gap now? Oh, it's
Exactly the same.
flush.
I was gonna say.
That car is funny history, man. It's like, man, hope they're not like fucking. Dude, I hate it when like fucking IG car fucking photographer people are like hit you up like, yo, bro, let's take some pics, fire, bro. And you're like, okay. And I'm like, bro, that's gonna be so sick. And you're just like, nice. And then fucking like you do the pics, and then they're like, okay, bro, it's gonna be $100, bro. And it's like, what the fuck? Like, should have said that in the first place. Whenever I get like the picture, they're like, yo, let's shoot some pics. Like, let's shoot your car, man. And I'm like, yo, I don't want to shoot up my car. That's pretty rude.
Why would you ever do that?
I know.
What if you ever POV? What is this Bill Gates building, man?
It's a pretty nice building.
What's in there?
Boilers.
That's where they keep the arc reactor, man.
Economizer. Whatever that all means. Full of schlomos in here.
It's nice and toasty in here. It's nice and
Is it? You got the heat?
Yeah.
Oh, it's fucking cooking. Holy fuck, why is it so hot? Whose shirt is that again?
I think it's his.
Huh?
Let's go look.
Hey, I cut it more.
Okay, good.
I am, man. Wait a minute, bro. Fuck you guys, man. Get a job.
People have the dog and like, shut the fuck.
Man, the other day, my fucking dog, like a while ago, my dog's like escaped the house. Simba.
Does he have a turbo timer?
Yeah.
Turbo timer?
Yeah.
Let's do these two cars, kind of like parallel.
Hey, Nelson.
This is Nelson's point of view for Ben.
Can you see at my nose?
Wait, okay, that's an eye level right there. Like, this is eye level.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is Nelson from my point of view.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
You look really good on this lens.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I don't know where.
Your eyes are so nice, Nelson.
Thank you, Ben.
You have a fleck of gold on the inside and the outside.
You have a go to my heart, Ben.
Thanks, Nelson. Oh, I think we're in the...
They better put that in the video. Noah better put that in the video. No, I'm doing like the, you know those like, when they do like...
B-roll?
9... I filmed it. I was
Disrespect me.
The boys will try to hit a million K up on their YouTube. The best kind.